Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth in a pressure cooker. First, select high-quality bones, such as beef marrow or chicken feet, for the best flavor and nutrient extraction. You'll also need a few simple vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, plus some apple cider vinegar to help draw out minerals. This method saves hours compared to stovetop simmering, delivering a deeply flavorful and nutritious broth much faster. Before cooking, consider roasting your bones. This step, done at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, adds a wonderful depth of flavor to your broth. Next, chop your vegetables into large, manageable pieces. Place the roasted bones, chopped vegetables, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into your pressure cooker. The vinegar helps extract valuable minerals from the bones. Now, fill your pressure cooker with cold water, ensuring you leave at least 2 inches of headspace from the top. Secure the lid and set your cooker to high pressure. For beef bones, aim for 90 to 120 minutes. For chicken, 60 to 90 minutes is often sufficient. Once cooking is complete, allow the pressure to release naturally for at least 15 minutes before carefully opening the lid. After the pressure has fully released, carefully strain your rich bone broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all solids. For best results, cool the broth rapidly in an ice bath before transferring it to storage containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it in smaller portions for several months. Enjoy your homemade, nutrient-dense bone broth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.